Hey yo, welcome back to the channel. And I'm about to replace the blades on the decks. These are the blades right here. Got three of them. Let's see, it's blades in here. And I got them from this is the 40-inch deck blades, and I got them at Home Depot. I think I ordered them offline. They was like I think like $48. That was with tax. I think the shipping is free. But anyway, you drop the deck down. I dropped it down to 2 so I can see what I'm gonna do here. So we got these pins on here. I'm gonna take this one. You got one right here, one right here, then you got one here. Then on the other side you got one, if you can see this, you got one over there, right there, and then you got one on this bracket here. And once you get take those pins out, I'm just gonna take the belt off of it and slide the whole deck out, because this is the spring that I think keeps the belt on tight right here. So I had got it tied on because it kept popping the belt off, because I need a idler pulley on here. But I don't know the part number for it yet, so that's why I haven't ordered it yet. But this idler pulley right here, y'all can see it, it's got a little play in it. But so we're gonna get started with taking these pins out. I had to go get another screwdriver too, y'all, because this one right here was not letting me pop it up. So I'm trying to use this little one, but it seems like it's too little almost. But yep, okay, don't forget your washer here. The washer just laying right here. And that'll come out there. Let's see how. Alright then, gotta pop the rest of them off, y'all. Gotta move that little lock thing out because it'll kind of stay in your way to stop you from popping it out. Oh, dang it. Hey y'all, I'm gonna come back because I gotta get this one out. But I just showed y'all basically what you gotta take off to pop these pins off. I just gotta get me another screwdriver or some needle nose pliers and pull it out. But we'll be back. Okay, y'all, this is the pin from here, right there. Had to get my needle nose pliers to get that out. It didn't have a washer on that side there. Just as you can see, it just come right off of that. If I'm showing it to you guys, right? Just come right off. Okay. Now I'm gonna pop this back one off here. Alright guys. Well, y'all seen that. I didn't throw that thing all in the back somewhere. I'm tired. Oh, I see it. Hold on. Alright, you got a washer on this one, y'all. Okay. This is also the deck adjuster. You know, the adjuster, right? Okay, so we got to get the other side off now. Okay. Let's see. Side. Gotta get this one off again here. For that camera stay up there. Push it. I did it again, y'all. Alright, now it's this one. Get my glove back on right though. Basically, you just hold that tab up and just push it. I did it again. Let's get a new washer off of this. Alright. And let me see if I can take this belt off right here. Well, that was easy. Now, I'm just gonna go on the other side, y'all, and just slide it out. I'm strong enough to pull it out, y'all. Yeah. Just grab it up. Might need to tilt it up a little bit because I don't want to cut my tire. Hold on here. Alright. Alright. There it is. Alright, y'all. All we're going to do is I'm just going to flip it upside down so you can just grab it here. Just turn it up. Just leave it up like that. Y'all see all three of the blades. Oh, look at these blades. They're terrible. Yep, and I got a lot of stuff on my, I don't know if that's grass or a rope or something. I don't know. Yeah, but we're gonna get that. Yeah. Now let me go find some tools that's gonna fit that, and I'll be back again. All right, guys, we back. I'm about to take these blades off here. Hold on. It's easy if you do it with one of these, y'all, cause unless you got something to hold the blade to stop it from turning on you.
Who gun it is? That daddy gun?
O'Reilly. Okay.
Just like that. I ain't got a cut grab with it.
Okay. See the little star pattern. And then I gotta clean all that stuff from out of
This is a 96 GMC lawnmower.
No, it ain't, bro.
Y'all, daddy home early.
96 GMC.
They ain't thin.
Well, look.
They different sizes too, though.
Are they?
The one in the middle, smaller.
No, it ain't. They the same size. It's just in the dirt.
Put it into each other.
They the same size, baby. They the same size, bro. Them things.
These so good. I know why it ain't cutting the grass.
Exactly. That's what I was saying when I flipped it up. I was like, man, that thing, those things ain't doing nothing.
I'm hurting now, huh? You said the parent bag.
All right, y'all. We gonna I'm gonna clean all this grass from under here. Then I'll come back.
What you really want to say? I'm gonna clean it.
All right, y'all. I cleaned all the stuff off of here, the grass from under here. And make sure that you try to get it because it will stop this blade from turning freely. We're going to eventually replace these spindles, but as of right now, we're just going to do it. Put these on there. Make sure y'all pay attention to the way the blade came off because I sure was about to mess that up. Oh, these blades. Oh, I thought they were going to be hitting that thing right now.
They good when daddy buy.
They real close to that thing right here though. That's bent. And starting with your hand, guys.
Do those got washers?
Yeah. They on the screw. Starting with your hand. And this screw size is a 5/8 or 16 millimeter. I'm just gonna put them back on now. Need you to hold that, but I gotta get them tighter. And what I did notice that these new blades don't have the little holes on the end, so Well, I might need you to, no, mama. This is how you do, y'all. What I did was put a screwdriver in here so it can wedge it. See if I can get a little tighter. This might not be the way you're supposed to do it, but it's the way I'm doing it. Should be tight enough. Now, y'all, that was all I was gonna do. To this, I got the new blades on. This one's spinning the freeze right here. You heard me? Watch this. Well, that one okay, but I feel a little resistance on it. Probably still got some grass up under there, and so does this one. Y'all see how that one ain't spinning? I might have didn't get all the grass from turning around there, but I said we do need new ones. But for right now, we're gonna do it like it is.
Yo! What's happening?
All right, y'all. We about to.
Y'all, you gonna come with the dry one? All right, y'all. We about to. Listen here. I'm about to slide this thing up in there for my wife because her muscle's tired. So I'm gonna go on to get it. 1, 2, and a 3. Baby, is this the belt route?
Is it?
Yep.
Man, God. The belt route on here, right here, y'all. We've been searching online for it.
Why would they put that in your crap? They could have signed up under the hood.
How you supposed to see that all the way back here? They should have had it like,
so
here somewhere.
Straight in the back.
You got it?
So I got it right then.
I know.
Yeah, that's right. How we got it.
Yeah, I see that belt route now.
You would have never seen that.
I know, not with all the dirt, man.
See how we got it? We got it coming up and then going back and then yeah, that's right. So,
hold on, let me see. Yeah, you got it right, babe.
Ooh, yeah. But we're gonna keep that on now. I might put some glue on to hold it down or take it off and just stick it up on the hood.
Yeah, somewhere we can see it at.
But it's stuck, so I don't want to rip it. So, ooh, I might just leave it.
You know, if you want to lose it somewhere.
Yep. Now that was shit.
About to replace the deck. I mean, not replace the deck.
Yep. Go to the other side, people. See, what you want to do is you want to put your back into it. Get down like you huddling. You know, one of those.
10, 25. All right, then you got a 2 for you. About right there, I guess. I'm gonna put them pins in. Y'all,
You go right here.
Huh? Yeah, I got the pins right.
She gonna put the pins in. I hold the camera.
All right, you. Woo!
I'm kidnapping the camera. How y'all doing today? Y'all all right? Hold on.
Okay, see, y'all just put the pin, put the rod back in here.
That's a loose rod.
Oh yeah. Hold on. And that's it.
Get down tonight.
That's how it go. And then you got the one up here.
Show that on the camera. Y'all see it up in there? She thinks she doing something. She doing good.
And a little something.
Oh, she dropping clear. You got the washer on it too?
No, this one didn't have no washer. Because it's kind of dark under there, but
I can see you.
you can see me? Okay.
Yep.
Okay. Then we put the adjuster thingy back on here. I gotta lift it up a little bit to get this on. Hold on. Oh.
She's semi-strong.
And then just gonna put this back in.
Then she gonna block the look. Y'all see how she do it?
Oh yeah. I ain't trying to block it up.
She act like she a pro.
And you know this, man. Okay, babe, I'm gonna go to the other side. Yeah.
Y'all see the GLC? $8.
8 little ones.
ain't talking about 8,000 or 8.
I pull it forward. I mean, push it back, baby. Push it back.
See, yeah, like you got screws trying to figure out what side go well.
Yeah. Got a little dark on down here. Alright, I got one more, guys. Lift it up, baby.
Got her.
Lift it up for me. See your arm in the way. Okay, got it.
One hand, folks. No job.
Oh, you're so strong.
Oh, you already know, baby, I'll do it. That's that deep voice for you. Y'all don't try to steal my voice. It's one of a kind. Come on. Oh. Hop it.
Okay, now I gotta get that. Put the belt on.
There you go. There you go. There you go. There you go.
All right. Now, you said put it on fire.
And that's how I put on the deck by myself. Hey, I'm gonna just talk to y'all. What's going on with y'all, man? Y'all good, man?
All right, you ready to cut that blade out? I see what them blades gonna do. What? Let me put my little tools back. You know, I don't need to get all that. Put my tools back. You know what I'm talking about?
That's what happens when you get happy.
Happy and you know.
Where your toolbox at, ma'am?